Unlocking the secrets of solar tax credits for 2025. Welcome to Vanindin Academy. Thinking about going solar in 2025? There's some great news. You could qualify for major savings through solar tax credits. But how do they really work? Who qualifies? And how much money can you actually save? In this video, we're unlocking the secrets of solar tax credits in 2025, explained in simple terms. Let's get started. What is a solar tax credit? A solar tax credit is a government incentive that reduces the amount of federal income tax you owe, simply for installing a solar energy system. In 2025, this credit is known as the Investment Tax Credit, or ITC. It allows homeowners and businesses to deduct a percentage of their solar system cost from their taxes, dollar for dollar. This is not a deduction from your income. It's a direct reduction of the taxes you owe. How much is the solar tax credit in 2025? For systems installed in 2025, the federal solar tax credit remains at 30% of the total installed cost. That includes solar panels, inverters, mounting equipment, wiring and electrical components, installation labor, permitting and inspection fees, and even energy storage like batteries, if installed with solar. So, if your solar system costs $20,000, you can claim a $6,000 tax credit. That's a powerful incentive to go solar now, while the credit is still at its peak. Who qualifies for the solar tax credit? To claim the 30% tax credit, you must meet these conditions. You own the solar system, not lease it. The system is installed on a home or property you own in the U.S. The installation is completed and placed in service during 2025. You have a federal income tax liability to offset. This means the tax credit works best if you owe federal taxes. If your tax bill is lower than your credit, you can roll over the unused portion to future years. Also, the home doesn't have to be your primary residence. Vacation homes and rental properties may also qualify. What about solar batteries and energy storage? In 2025, standalone battery systems also qualify for the 30% tax credit, even if installed separately from solar. This includes batteries like the Tesla Powerwall, LG Chem, or other lithium-ion systems. To qualify, the battery must be at least 3 kilowatt-hours, kWh, in capacity. It must be installed in the US, and it must be used to store solar or grid electricity. So even if you already installed solar in the past, you can add a battery in 2025 and still claim the credit. How do you claim the tax credit? To claim the solar tax credit, you'll need to fill out IRS Form 5695 when filing your federal income tax return. Here's a quick breakdown. Calculate the total cost of your system. Multiply it by 30%. Enter the result on Form 5695. Transfer the credit to your Form 1040 to reduce what you owe. If your tax liability is smaller than your credit, the remainder rolls over to the next tax year automatically. Many solar installers provide a tax credit estimate and can help you find the exact forms to file. Are there any deadlines or expiration dates? Yes. The 30% federal tax credit is scheduled to remain in place through 2032. After that, it begins to phase down. 26% in 2033, 22% in 2034, expires in 2035 for residential systems, unless extended by Congress. So, while there's still time, acting sooner allows you to lock in maximum savings. Also note, your system must be fully installed and operational in 2025 to qualify for that year's credit. Do states offer solar incentives too? Yes. In addition to the federal tax credit, many U.S. states offer their own solar incentives, such as state tax credits, property tax exemptions, sales tax waivers, solar renewable energy certificate (SREC) payments, utility rebates, or performance-based incentives. These programs vary by state, so be sure to check what's available in your local area. Combining federal and state incentives can dramatically reduce the total cost of going solar. Common myths about the solar tax credit. Let's clear up a few common misconceptions. Myth 1. You have to pay everything up front. Reality. You can still claim the credit if you finance your system. Myth 2. You'll get a check in the mail. Reality. It's a credit against your tax liability, not a cash rebate. Myth 3. Renters can claim it. Reality. Only property owners who install solar on property they own qualify. Understanding these details can help you avoid mistakes when planning your solar investment. Final thoughts. The federal solar tax credit is one of the most powerful tools available to make clean energy affordable. Let's recap what we covered. The solar tax credit is 30% in 2025. It applies to the full cost of solar batteries and installation, It's a dollar-for-dollar reduction in what you owe the IRS. You must own the system and have tax liability to claim it. Additional state and local incentives may be available. If you're thinking about solar in 2025, now is the perfect time to plan your system and take full advantage of these benefits. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more solar education and updates. And tell us in the comments, are you planning to go solar in 2025? What questions do you still have about solar incentives?